Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 6. Working with PowerPoint. A presentation means collection of information, presented with impressive and illustrative materials such as visual graphics, text, charts, etc. As you already know that PowerPoint is used for making presentations. You can use predefined templates for your presentation or can create it from scratch. A PowerPoint presentation consists of a number of individual pages or slides. It is a collection of slides used to present information to an audience. A slide is a space where content in the form of graphics, text or pictures is displayed in an organized manner. PowerPoint presentations consist of one or more slides that can be easily rearranged and modified. Creating presentation. When you start PowerPoint, a blank presentation is immediately created for you. This presentation is by default named Presentation 1 or Presentation 2 and so on. To rename it, you need to save the presentation. It contains only one blank slide by default. PowerPoint displays the slide in the workspace. You can open a new presentation even by following the below steps. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. A menu will appear. Click on New option. 3. On right side, available templates and themes will be shown. 4. Choose a template as per requirement or click on blank presentation to start from scratch. You will get a new presentation. You can also press Ctrl+N to create a new presentation. Adding text. By default, a title slide is inserted whenever you create a blank presentation. It is a simple task to add and delete text on a slide. A slide contains placeholders. A placeholder is a dotted rectangular box, which is used for holding text or graphics. In a title slide, a placeholder displays the text. Click to add title and click to add subtitle. You can type the title of your presentation and a subtitle on this slide. To enter text, click in the Click to Add Title area. A cursor will appear. Then type the title of your presentation. Click and type subtitle in the Click to Add Subtitle area. If you don't want to use the title slide, click the Delete Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. Editing text in a placeholder. To edit text, you can move the cursor to the desired position and use Delete key to delete text on right side of the cursor and Backspace key to delete text on the left side of the cursor. Deleting entire text from placeholder. To delete entire text within a placeholder, click on the boundary of the placeholder and then press Delete key. Complete text will get deleted. Moving a placeholder. To move placeholder anywhere on the slide, click the boundary of the placeholder and then drag it to any position using drag handle. Drag handle appears when you take the mouse close to the placeholder's boundary, marked with dotted lines, except the corners and center of the sides. Resizing a placeholder. Select the placeholder by clicking on its border. The resize handle will appear. Using resize handle, you can easily resize the placeholder. The resize handle appears when you take the mouse either to the corner or center of any side, marked with small squares, of the placeholder. Creating new slides. After completing your title slide, you can create additional slides. To create a new slide. 1. Select Home tab. 2. Click the New Slide button in the Slides group. This adds the title and content slide. To open any other slide layout, click the small arrow present next to the New Slide button. The Office theme dialog box appears and displays several layout templates. 3. Click the layout you want. The layout appears in the slide pane of the PowerPoint window. Layouts are used to organize the content on each slide. PowerPoint has several slide layouts from which you can choose. These are: Activity 1. Can you think of situations where these layouts could be used? Give few examples. Wherever you are allowed to add content in a placeholder, you can easily add text, tables, charts, smart art graphics, pictures, online pictures, and videos on your slide. You can directly click the icons provided on the slide to insert these items. Creating hierarchy of text content on a slide. If you need to present the information in your slide in hierarchical form, you can easily create an outline by using the increase or decrease list level button to create hierarchy. To do so, 1. Open the Home tab. 2. Click the New Slide button in the Slides group. The Office theme dialog box appears. 3. Click the title and content slide layout. 4. Slide will appear in the slide pane. 5. Type the text herbivores where it is written. Click to add text. Press enter. 6. Click the increase list level button in the paragraph group to indent the text. Type GOAT and press enter. 7. Now click the decrease list level button in paragraph group to decrease indent and type carnivores. Press enter. 8. Repeat the steps to get the text as shown in picture. Using comparison layout. If you want to do comparison between two things, you can use comparison layout. To do this, 1. Select Home tab. 2. Click New Slide if you want to insert new slide, or click Slide Layout button if you want to apply layout on existing, selected slide. 3. Select Comparison Layout from the given options. A slide will appear. 4. Add title, headings and comparison points under the two headings. Applying a theme. A theme is a set of colors, fonts and special effects. In a way, theme adds style to your slide. Theme provides attractive backgrounds for your PowerPoint slides. To apply a theme to all slides of a presentation. 1. Open the Design tab. 2. Click the More button in the Themes group. 3. Select the desired theme by double-clicking it. To apply a theme to few selected slides. 1. In the Slides pane, hold down the Control key and then select all the thumbnails to which you want to apply a theme. 2. Open the Design tab. 3. Click the More button in the Themes group. 4. Either directly select the theme or for more options right-click the theme which you want to apply. A menu appears. 5. Click Apply to selected slides. PowerPoint applies the theme to the selected slides. 6. Using this menu you can apply a theme to selected slides, all slides, or set it as a default theme. Changing background style. You can add a dramatic effect to your theme by applying the background. 1. Open the Design tab. 2. Click the More button in Variants group. 3. Move the pointer to Background Styles. 4. Select the background you want. Changing theme colors. To change color of the theme, 1. Open the Design tab. 2. Click the down arrow next to the More button under Variants group. 3. Click the Colors options. 4. Select the color theme of your choice. The color theme of your slides will change. Similarly, you can change font style and add effects to your slides. Note: contrast is important. Light colored content on dark background or vice versa makes it easier to read. Run a PowerPoint slideshow. After creating slides, you can run a slideshow. To start your slideshow, you can follow any of the below given options. On the Slideshow tab, click the From Beginning button from the Start Slideshow group to start presentation from beginning, that is first slide, or press F5. On the Slideshow tab, click the From Current Slide button from the Start Slideshow group to start presentation from the current slide, that is the selected slide in the slide pane, or press Shift plus F5. On the Slideshow tab, click Custom Slideshow button from the Start Slideshow group to customize your presentation. It helps you to display only the slides selected by you. This enables you to have several different shows, for example a 30-minute show and a 60-minute show, from the same presentation. Click the slideshow icon present on the status bar. This also starts the slideshow from the current slide. Navigating through the slideshow. Task, Procedure. Go to next slide. Do one of the following. Press the right arrow key. Press the Enter key. Press the page down key. Left click the mouse. Go to the previous slide. Do one of the following. Press the left arrow key. Press the backspace key. Press the page up key. Right-click the mouse and select the previous option. End the slideshow in between and return to the PowerPoint normal view. Press the Escape key. Saving a presentation. 1. To save existing presentation with same name. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Save button. Or press Ctrl plus S. 2. To save a new presentation or an existing one with new name. To save the presentation for the first time or to create a copy of existing presentation, use Save As option. 1. Click on File tab. 2. Click Save As button. 3. Browse the folder where you want to save. 4. Save As dialog box will pop up. Enter the new name of the presentation. Click on Save button. The presentation will be stored with the new name without making changes to the old presentation. The file will get saved with PPTX file extension. You can also press F12 to save presentation with different name. 3. Saving presentation as PowerPoint show or in older format. In MS PowerPoint 2010, the files are stored in PPTX format, whereas in the earlier versions the format used was PPT. So if you want to store the file in an older format, you use Save As option. To do this, 1. Click on File tab. 2. Click on Save As option. 3. The Save As dialog box will pop up. Enter the desired name. 4. And in Save As type, select the option as per your requirement like PowerPoint show or PowerPoint 97 to 2003 presentation and then click on Save button. Your file will be saved. 5. PowerPoint 97 to 2003 uses PPT file format. If you save your presentation as PowerPoint show, it will be saved as PPSX file. Brain Booster. Since Microsoft Office 2007, the binary file formats are replaced by new XML-based OpenOffice XML formats, which are published as an open standard. Activity 2. What could be the purpose of saving a presentation as slideshow? Discuss. Closing a presentation. For closing a presentation, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click Close option. You can press Alt plus F4 to close the presentation. Opening existing file. To open an existing file, 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on the Open option. If the file name is present in the recently used files, open the file from there. Otherwise, browse the file to open it. 3. You can also press Ctrl+O to open an existing presentation. Shortcut keys. Shortcut keys. Purpose. Ctrl+N to create a new presentation. Ctrl+O to open an existing presentation. Ctrl+S to save a presentation. F12 to save a presentation with different name. F5 to start show from beginning. Enter or right arrow or down arrow to move to next slide. Left arrow or up arrow to move to previous slide. Escape to immediately terminate the slideshow. Alt+F4 to close a presentation. B or full stop to suspend slideshow temporarily and display black screen. W or comma to suspend slideshow temporarily and display white screen. Number plus enter to move to specific slide during slideshow. Recap. A presentation is a collection of information in the form of slides. You can set layout of slide as per your requirement. Hierarchy of text can be set on slide. Different types of slide layouts are title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. A theme is a set of colors, fonts and special effects. F5 key is used to start slideshow. You can even customize slideshow by showing selected slides in a slideshow. PowerPoint 2013-5 with PPTX extension can be easily converted into a PowerPoint 97 to 2003 compatible file format.
Like, share and subscribe.